Hi everyone. In this video I'll show you two ways to share a Google document in Google Docs. Let's open our document. Go to File, Share. First option, share with others. Here you can share the document with specific people. Enter an email address and choose the access level. Let's type in v@gmail.com. After that, we choose the Gmail and choose the access level. Viewer, commenter or editor. Let's choose commenter. After that, we click on send. Share anyway, that's just a non-Google account. Second option, publish to the web. Click on File, select Share, go to Publish to Web. Click Publish, copy the link and share that with anyone. That's it. Now you know two different ways to share a Google document.